EasyArts47. Today I am going to draw the most famous anime pose which we see in lot of manga book and also in the anime series where one character, the girl, is lying down on the garden or the bed reading the book or listening to music, but this is the very general basic pose. So I start with the head and it all goes to the Loomis method. Then I make the torso. So as the torso immediately start as it is lying down on the bed. So and we see it through the force perspective. So as when the body is pressed up against the floor, so but just push the pops up front. So it's the basic anatomy pose. So I have made that, and as you can see now the hand is at the right hand is in the below that chest area is supporting, and the other hand is on the head as in the third position, and the as in the torso as it is the force perspective applied here, and the hand connected to the shoulder does not show much. So see, I just made, and the torso is, we are seeing it from the angle or the front. So the torso immediately start, and as it is in the force perspective, and we can see the hip as and the leg is crossing each other. So there is no too much gap between the hip and the knee area. Here I am erasing and making that look as you can see. I made this torso and the hip area little bit, it's like little bit twisted, and from the hip area the thigh and the leg start as it start. There is foreshortening, and here is the where the leg is at the position, and the hip and the second leg is crossing each other, as we cannot see the whole line, but still you get the feel. When I make it dark, you will better understand what I'm trying to do. And here when we cross the leg, our leg is not, the leg is at the position like it is running, and as you can see if you like this video, please do give a thumbs up, do share my video, and do watch my other video also. Thank you for watching this. It is heavily inspired by the artist Mikey Mega Mega, and he does step by step tutorial, and I also try to make the anatomy. So how you like it? Please give it a thumbs up, to leave the comment, and I hope you'll like this. Next time I will make with the more detailed feature of eyes, nose and hair, but this is the basic structure of how to relax position. If you have watched till here, thank you for watching my video. Do share it, and also there is new channel called Heaven of Art. I also inspired by that. Thank you.